Ира, тебе надо кружочек? Нормально. Раз, два, три. Help, I need somebody. Help, not just anybody. Help, no, I need someone. When I was young, I never needed help in any way. Now these days are gone, and now I'm fine and open up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? Все, кончик, конец. Спасибо.